What if the wrong gaming chair is silently ruining your wins? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 Emerge Vortex gaming chairs that transform comfort, posture, and focus. Stick around to upgrade your setup and grab the best deals through the links in the description. On number 5 is STAPLES Emerge Vortex. Did you know most gamers quit sessions early because their chair quietly drains energy? That's the real problem, and the STAPLES Emerge Vortex tackles it head on. In the top 5 Emerge Vortex gaming chair lineup, this black and red faux leather build feels like relief the moment you sit. Tested for real-world comfort, it supports up to 275 pounds and gives breathing room with its wide seat and smooth height range. Compared with others in this list, it balances comfort and price better, even at $199.99. Flip-up arms solve desk fit stress, though the padding could be softer for marathon days. Still, this is a smart, confidence-boosting choice. We guide viewers toward what genuinely earns a spot, so who should buy it? Anyone craving stability without overspending, and who should skip? Ultra-heavy users needing premium cushioning. At number 4 is Dowinx Gaming Chair. What if your gaming chair could calm your body instead of punishing it? That's the promise behind the Dowinx Gaming Chair, and within our top 5 Emerge Vortex gaming chair discussion, this one feels like a turning point. People struggle with back fatigue, heat buildup, and stiffness after long sessions, and this chair answers with gentle heated massage, breathable seating, and a surprisingly roomy design that feels freeing. Tested for real-world comfort, the reclining back, extendable footrest, and smooth movement deliver real peace of mind. As compared with others on the list, it leans more toward relaxation than aggressive posture, which some may love and some may question. At $259.99, it feels worth it for long sitters seeking relief, but minimalists may prefer firmer support. We only suggest what truly earns trust, so tell me, comfort or control? On number 3 is Dowinx Gaming Chair. What if the real reason your focus drops is not the game, but the chair beneath you? That question brings us to the Dowinx Gaming Chair, featured naturally within our top 5 Emerge Vortex gaming chair conversation. Many buyers fear squeaky builds, weak support, or heat trapped during long sessions, and this chair eases that anxiety with breathable leather, quiet rollers, and a tall, body-hugging back that feels reassuring. Tested for real-world comfort, the massaging lumbar support and footrest deliver relief you notice fast. As compared with others in the lineup, it feels more spacious but slightly less refined in cushioning. Priced at $179.99, it is a smart, safe choice for big and tall users, while those wanting ultra-plush padding may look elsewhere. At number 2 is GTRACING Gaming Chair. What if your gaming chair could entertain you as much as your setup? That's the bold idea behind the GTRACING Gaming Chair, and inside our top 5 Emerge Vortex gaming chair discussion, it stands out fast. Many buyers worry about boredom, poor posture, and wasted money, and this chair tackles all three with built-in Bluetooth speakers, a sturdy metal frame, and smooth reclining comfort. Tested for real-world comfort, the thick foam cushioning and adjustable support create instant relief and a sense of control. As compared with others in the lineup, it feels more immersive but slightly less focused on deep lumbar correction. At $199.99, it is a smart buy for gamers who value fun and flexibility, while posture purists may want firmer structure. Now moving to the last one is Anda Seat Kaiser 4. What if a chair could finally end the cycle of sagging seats and constant adjustments? That question leads straight to the Anda Seat Kaiser 4, naturally fitting into our top 5 Emerge Vortex gaming chair conversation. Many buyers fear long-term discomfort and wasted money, and this model answers with a solid steel frame, adjustable lumbar depth, and a magnetic memory foam neck pillow that feels reassuring from day one. Tested for real-world comfort, the wide seat, quiet wheels, and controlled recline bring a sense of safety and balance. As compared with others in this lineup, it feels more premium and structured, though the firmer padding may not suit everyone. Priced at $499.99, it is a confident choice for serious users, while casual gamers may find it excessive. The winner is the Anda Seat Kaiser 4. If you want one chair that truly feels like a long-term investment, this is it. While others focus on price, fun, or short-term comfort, the Kaiser 4 solves the biggest problem gamers face: support that lasts for years. The steel frame, adjustable lumbar depth, and memory foam neck support deliver consistent stability and peace of mind. It feels safer, stronger, and more controlled during long sessions. Yes, it costs more, but you're buying durability, posture, confidence, and fewer future replacements. This is the smart choice for serious gamers and professionals. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 Emerge Vortex gaming chair. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.